What's the meaning of cack-handed? Cack-handed. Cack-handed.
Cack-handed. Cack-handed. The term cack-handed is used to describe someone who is clumsy or awkward, especially with their hands. It can also be used to describe someone who is left-handed and struggles with tasks designed for right-handed individuals. This term is often used in a lighthearted or playful way, but can also have negative connotations of incompetence or ineptitude. Overall, being cack-handed results in a difficulty with tasks that require manual dexterity and coordination, and can lead to frustration and embarrassment for the individual.